When you first enroll in Medicare A and B, ideally, you did it online at ssa.gov, the Social Security's website. You don't go to Medicare. And ideally, you did this 3 months before you wanted Medicare to start. So if you're starting at 65, Medicare starts on the first day of the month. So if your birthday's the last day of September, Medicare will start on the first day. Back that up 3 months. That's when ideally you're going online to apply. Now, I've had people that have gone online to apply recently during the chaos that is currently going on, and they've applied 3 months in advance, and now they are within 1 month of their Medicare starting, and they still don't show any progress on their status on their ssa.gov portal. They haven't received their Medicare ID number. Nothing has come in the mail, and they need to get their insurance started. We cannot help you sign you up for certain plans until you have that number. And we can't help you speed up the process to get that number. So, what do you do if you are not getting through with the government? You could try to call them. It's very hard to call them. So, I know you're not going to like this, but what you can do is you can get an appointment and go in person. And you're going to say, well, it's going to take me a month to get an appointment where I live. That won't work either. I need to get this card in the next 2 weeks. You're going to need to go to your local Social Security office. You can go to any office. So if you know one's busier than the other, go to the more rural one, the less busy one. And you don't have an appointment, there will be a security guard there. And he will say, if you don't have an appointment, go home. You're going to go up to him politely and say, I have an emergency situation. He's going to go, oh, yeah, everybody says that. You're going to tell him your situation, that you need your Medicare ID number because your enrollment is going to be delayed. He will say, you are right. That is a true emergency. Hang out here and wait. You will be seen today. I can't guarantee how long it will take, but we will help you. So you know that you have this ability. A lot of people don't want to take off work and drive and wait in line to do this, but this will get your Medicare number done. So if you don't get it done, you can call us. We can still sign you up for a Medicare supplement plan. You're like, what? Without my Medicare number? We can do that because if you're turning 65, they know you're guaranteed. We'll do the whole application with you and send it off to the insurance company. They will hold that typically for 2 to 3 weeks, waiting for you to call us back once you receive your Medicare, your red, white, and blue card with your ID number in the mail or through your online portal at ssa.gov. So the Medicare supplement company will let you enroll, will let your benefits start on the first of the month, even though you don't have your number yet. Medicare Advantage won't let you. We can't get you a drug plan. So for the people in this situation, they said, I only want a Medicare supplement plan. Okay, I can't get you a drug plan without that number. So your Medicare supplement can start tomorrow, but you're going to have to go a month without a prescription drug plan. So if you can, try to fill your prescriptions, whoever has your drug insurance now, or get a plan for how you're going to get through this month. Cash, GoodRx, Single Care, BlinkRx, any type of discount card to get your medications until you give us your Medicare ID number, and then we can get you enrolled in a drug plan to start the first of the following month. So I've had people say, I'm going to hire an attorney. Why would you waste money on an attorney? This is simple. You just going to have to go through the steps if you find yourself in a bind. And typically the people that find themselves in a bind did not start 3 months in advance. Sometimes I'm having those people too. But the people that are having problems typically started 2 months or 1 month in advance. And especially if you're starting in 1 month or less than 1 month, then it truly is an emergency. In this environment, you're not going to get your number. So take matters into your own hands, or you'll end up for a month with only Medicare A and B. You're like, well, how do I have Medicare A and B if they didn't issue it? They will backdate it to the days. Like in my scenario, if your birthday's on the last day and it's going to start on the first day of that month, they will backdate it so you got what you were supposed to get. So if I have a heart attack on that first day of the month, Medicare is going to cover their share. But there's a lot that Medicare doesn't cover, which is why you buy private insurance, which is where we come in to help you. We're licensed in all 50 states. Our services are free because we're paid by the insurance companies. So if you had private insurance wrapping around your government insurance on that first day of the month when you have a heart attack, you'd be covered even if you didn't have your Medicare number yet, even if that delays a couple more days, even though you don't have your ID card, as long as we enrolled you and everything. So yeah, it's not pretty, which is why I urge you to try to do it early. Try to do it 3 months in advance. The people that can't do it 3 months in advance, they just got laid off today. Their job just fired them today, or they quit today. So they don't have necessarily a lot of room to get it done. Go to our website. We will walk you through the procedure and guide you with what you can do. You can book your own appointment on our website. There is a yellow button. I call it a yellow box. My son said to stop calling it a box. It is a button. Click on the button. Book your free appointment, whatever time is convenient for you. Our consultations are free. Let us try to sort out whatever type of problem you're having and get you ready for Medicare. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.